making a sheet pan meal tonight. And we've got vegetables all washed. And I'm going to make it in here. And I've got a compost. This one goes for the compost, and this is going to be scraps for broth. That's going to go in the freezer. So I want to make broth when I have a chicken that I cooked. And then the butter is for cookies that I'm going to be baking later. And yes, I'm going to use all that butter. My knives are so dull. I need to get them done. But I got my potatoes, my garlic, and my carrots. I'm not going to do the zucchini. I'm going to bake zucchini breads with that. And then I got the sausage. I'm cutting them up like this. And I'm going to put that in. And I got my scraps bag for my freezer. Got my compost bin. I'm going to use the tools God gave me. To shop. Kitty Kofi Kappa.